Good morning, everyone. My name is John Ludwig C. Gayapa from this ITS 2A. For today, we are going to start our finals on our subject operating system. For today, we are going to um, look at our requirements. And first, we are going to change the domain controller of our newly created OS server into tupt.com. But before that, we are going to configure our server first. So here's our server. We can set the time zone first, like change date and time. It's already correct. Sunday, April 7, 8:40. Change time zone into that. Then change date and time. That's already correct. Time zone is already correct. Click OK. Yeah, it's already our time zone. There. So after changing the time zone, we are going to change our computer name and domain. So first, provide our description as finals. Click name. Computer name, it's up to you. 2008. Okay. So click 2008. Final server. Let's go with final server 2008. Okay. Click apply. Then restart now. So after starting our server, we are now going to add roles. So just click add roles. Next, click next. Then go with the Active Directory domain services. So the required features, click next, next, then install. We are going to wait for the installation of this. So after that, do not click this close button. Instead, click this close this wizard and launch the ACDS installation wizard. Then after that, we need to check this use advanced mode installation. Click next, next, then create a new domain in a new forest. Click next. Then create our FQDN or the fully qualified domain name. So according to our requirements, it, our domain name should have tupt.com. So let's use a simple domain name, gayapa.tupt.com. Let's use that. So click next. So yes, so yeah. The wizard and default net bias name, the wizard which appears only if you have selected advanced mode. Set the name of the database wizard, type a new name, then click next. So you- we can use the default created domain net bias name, then click next. So after this, running, click next, next, then next. Assign IP address. I will assign. Then click next. Oh, wait. So let's have a look of our requirements before.
Point 1. Then, okay lang. So, bago pala natin to simulan, maglagay sa to. So, dito, connection, properties, PIP, and IP address naman sa Preferred DNS server.
Oh, okay, okay. So we forget something, which is um adding our IP address here. So click this, open network and sharing center. You change adapter settings, right click local area connection, properties. So wait, that's okay. So click IPv4 properties. Use the following IP address. So we can use 10.0.0.5. Then for the subnet mask, it's already there. For the preferred DNS server, so according to our requirements, our DNS server should be the same as our DHCP server according to this. So we can use 172.31.0.0. So 172.31.0.0. Then click OK. Then click close. So after that, go again with our Active Directory. So click next. Yes. So next. So we can create our password and confirm it. Then click next. So click next as the summary and waiting for our DNS installation to finish. So after this, we can now click finish, then click restart now for our domain to be implemented on our server. So after logging in, we can now look on our server manager or the server summary to see if our created domain is already implemented on our device. So yeah, let's look at our server manager. Let's see our full computer name and our domain. So yeah, it's already created. So our computer name is Final Server 2008. Our domain is gayapatiupt.com, which is on our requirements above, which is the number one. So now that we already created number one, then we can now go to our domain users and distribute all VSIT students as domain users in the following programs or courses, which is this. So yeah, that's all for now.